Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a homepage on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of a Royal Match and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your